How to eat strawberries in an effective way.
Choose ripe strawberries. Look for strawberries that are firm, plump, and fragrant. Ripe strawberries are sweeter and more flavorful than those that are underripe. Rinse them thoroughly. Wash your strawberries under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. Remove the green top. Once you've washed the strawberries, gently remove the green top using a paring knife or by pinching it off with your fingers. Slice or bite. Slice the strawberries into bite-sized pieces or simply take a bite out of them. Enjoy their natural flavor. Strawberries have a naturally sweet and juicy flavor that is best enjoyed on their own. However, you can also add them to smoothies, yogurt, or salads for added sweetness and texture. Store properly. If you don't plan on eating your strawberries right away, store them in a plastic container or a paper bag in the refrigerator. They should keep for a few days this way. By following these tips, you'll be able to enjoy the full flavor and freshness of your strawberries in the most effective way possible.